What's up, everyone? This is Hail to the King from the soundboard. This particular performance comes from the stage tour. It was our one and only show we were doing in Canada for that particular run. And I remember it was really cool because I think the show sold out in about an hour, which we got a call from our agent, and we were very pleased and surprised. But Canada's always been great to us, so it was very cool. This one's called Hail to the King. We have a friend of ours who it was his 100th show, Walnuts, so this was a very awesome occasion and it was a killer show. Hail to the King with no pyro. On that run we were trying not to blow out the video screens, so enjoy.
So tonight we have a guy who's been following the band for a long time. This is his 100th show tonight. His name is Walnuts. That's not his real name. His real name is Scooby, but we're gonna call him Walnuts for now. This song goes out to Walnuts for 100 Avenged Sevenfold shows. Yo, Gates, come on down here. You already know the drill, huh? Check, 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 check. Hell, 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 hell. They're a little anxious. Your tongue around me, cut from your head. Tame your love, won't keep me whispers instead. Children run the streets now, all friends of war. Bodies hanging in the streets to adore. Royal flames will come a perfect chaos, bringing daylight to the night. Devils riding in the town with armor. They come to take all your rights, you. Hail to the ground, stand in the sun. Hail to the King, the King. But I still my holding keys to the throne. Home again, but it's too late to atone. Now mercy from the edge of the blade. Their escape, a price to be paid. Let the water flow in shades of right now. Arrows black out on the light. Devils riding in the town with thunder. They gonna take all your right. Come on. Hail to the ground, stand in the sun.